Ever wondered how to perfectly slow roast a salmon? Welcome to our culinary journey where we'll explore the unique and tantalizing recipe of slow-roasted salmon with chives and lemon. This isn't just your regular salmon dish. It's a symphony of flavors, a delightful dance of succulent salmon, fresh chives, and tangy lemon that will make your taste buds twirl in delight. Begin by preheating your oven to a gentle 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes, that's right, we're going low and slow for this recipe. Now let's get our flavor game on. In a small bowl, combine a tablespoon of packed brown sugar, a teaspoon of kosher salt, and a pinch of pepper. This sweet and savory blend will elevate our salmon to a whole new level. Next, we'll take our star ingredient, a 2-pound skin-on salmon fillet. Cut it in half to fit snugly into a 13 by 9-inch baking dish. Sprinkle our sugar mixture all over the salmon halves. Can you feel the excitement building? Place the salmon halves, flesh side up, into the baking dish. They're ready for their oven spa treatment. Roast until the center is slightly translucent when checked with a paring knife, aiming for that perfect medium rare. While the salmon's doing its thing, let's whip up a zesty concoction. In a bowl, combine the ingredients for our zesty dressing. We're talking a 1/4 cup of top-shelf extra virgin olive oil, 2 generous tablespoons of freshly sliced chives, 2 teaspoons of freshly grated lemon zest, and 1½ tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add in the remaining ½ teaspoon of kosher salt for a little extra kick. Give it a good whisk until it's all nicely combined. This is where the tangy meets the savory. Once the salmon is out of the oven, it's time to introduce it to our zesty dressing. Pour the flavorful oil mixture evenly over the salmon. It's like a flavor spa for our fishy friend. After the dressing, it's crucial to let our salmon rest for about 5 minutes. This is the calm before the flavor storm, my friends, and it allows all the flavors to mingle and intensify. Now, for the grand finale. With a spatula and spoon, gently portion out the salmon onto your serving dish of choice. And don't forget about those glorious juices left in the baking dish. Stir them together and spoon them over the salmon. It's like liquid gold, and it adds an extra layer of deliciousness. Voila! Slow roasted salmon with chives and lemon, ready to steal the show at your dinner table. It's like a symphony of flavors in every bite. This salmon is so tender, and that chive and lemon combo is a refreshing twist. Get ready for a flavor party in your mouth. Absolutely divine. The salmon is a symphony of succulence and zest. The chive and lemon combo is a burst of freshness, making every bite a savory treat. That's a wrap for today, my friends. Until next time, keep cooking and keep smiling.
Enjoy. Buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.
Yeah.